In this lesson, we're going to be learning about Spanish-speaking countries and in which continents they are. So first we have América del Norte, or North America, which is what we're in right now, if you didn't know. The only Spanish-speaking country in América del Norte is Mexico, or Mexico. As you can see here, it's right at the bottom of the U.S., right under Texas. It's also one of the largest Spanish-speaking countries. Very big. This is its flag, and then this is Mexico City. Alright, moving on to Centro America, or Central America. And our first one's Costa Rica. So as you can see on the map here, this would be Mexico. Central America is the little skinny piece of land that connects North America to South America. It's right in the middle there. And Costa Rica is down here, in between Nicaragua and Panama. Now we have El Salvador. El Salvador. Notice with our letters here, the V makes a B sound, like B. El Salvador. El Salvador is this little country here underneath Honduras. And remember that these are all countries. For us, they look like states because the United States is so large and all of our states are about this size. These are full countries, each of them. So El Salvador. Next we have Guatemala. Guatemala is here, right underneath Mexico. Guatemala. We have Honduras. Honduras. This large chunk of land next to El Salvador, Honduras. Nicaragua. Nicaragua is underneath Honduras. Nicaragua. And then we have Panama. Panama is the skinny country down here, right after Costa Rica, that connects actually to South America. So next we have El Caribe, or the Caribbean. And the Caribbean is off these islands off to the side of Central America. So this is Central America. This is what we just went over. This is South America. This is the start at the bottom of North America. And then all over here is the Caribbean. So our first Spanish-speaking country in the Caribbean is Cuba. Cuba is this big island here. Next we have República Dominicana, or the Dominican Republic. That is here in this island. It's this half. Haiti is over here, and then it's the other half. This is the Dominican Republic, or República Dominicana. Next we have Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is down here next to the Dominican Republic. Little island. And I believe this is San Juan, their capital. Sudamerica, or South America, is where we're going to go next. First we have Argentina. Argentina, again with your alphabet pronunciation. The G makes that H sound, so Argentina is how you pronounce it in Espanol. Argentina is down here, large area of land. Bolivia, remember the B, the V makes a B sound, Bolivia. Bolivia is right here, right above Argentina. Next we have Chile. Chile is this little skinny country on the edge here. I always remember it because it kind of looks like a chili pepper. Chile. Colombia is up here. Colombia. Next we have Ecuador. Ecuador is this little country here. Paraguay. Not Paraguay. Paraguay. Remember that the A in Spanish has a softer sound. So rather than saying Paraguay, you're going to say Paraguay. Paraguay is down here, this little purple country above Argentina. Paraguay. Peru. Peru is over here underneath Ecuador. Peru. Uruguay. Uruguay. Sounds very similar to Paraguay, but it's Uruguay. And that's down here. This little country on the end. And Venezuela. Venezuela. Venezuela is up here. Okay, and just so you know, these countries over here are blurred out just because they are non-Spanish speaking countries. So you don't need to know what they are. This huge one, though, is Brazil, and they speak Portuguese. They don't speak Spanish. A lot of people think they speak Spanish, but they don't. So these are the only countries in South America that speak Espanol. Europa. There's only one country in Europa that speaks Espanol, and it's España, or Spain, which, if you look at this, this is all Europe here, and this is Spain right here, right underneath France, and this is Portugal, this is Spain. This is where I actually studied abroad and lived for 4 months. This is where I learned my Spanish. So, España. So, this is our last country. There actually is a country in Africa that speaks Espanol. So in Africa, there is Guinea Equatorial. Guinea Equatorial. And it is this small, tiny, it's the smallest Spanish-speaking country in the world. And it's right on the edge of Africa. So it's literally this little chunk of land. That is the only country in Africa that is Spanish speaking, and it's called Guinea Equatorial. Okay, so if you go back into your module in Canvas, right underneath, your Spanish speaking countries that you're in right now, I also linked Spanish speaking countries maps. So this is a world map where you can see all of those countries that we just talked about in full, all of them together. So first we have Mexico, which is down here. We should all know that. This is the United States. And they do actually have some of our southern states here in Florida light blue highlighted because they are very prominent Spanish-speaking states. So they have a lot of Spanish speakers there. But the dark blue ones and all of these are all of the official Spanish-speaking countries. So we have Mexico here, and then this little piece of land here, like I said, is Central America. Those are all those little countries we went over in the beginning. And the Caribbean's over here, El Caribe, Cuba, Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico right there. Then we move down to South America. We have all of our countries here on the side that we need to know. All of those. South America has the most Spanish-speaking countries in it compared to North America, Africa, Europe. It's South America. They have the most. And then if we move over here, this is Europe up here. This is Spain. Obviously a Spanish-speaking country. And then we have Equatorial Guinea, which is down here in Africa. This is a huge African continent. And this is actually Equatorial Guinea. This is irrelevant. Don't pay attention to that. This little blue dot down there is Equatorial Guinea. It is the smallest Spanish-speaking country, like I said. And then this is a closer view where you can see all of them. Mexico, Central America, all of those countries. You have your Caribbean over here. These are all of the Spanish-speaking countries in South America, and then we have Spain and Equatorial Guinea right there.